Hello everyone, my name is Ciolan and I'm working as a psychologist in the SCOPE department, a department which is offering psychological counseling and vocational orientation services for students. Right now, I would like to highlight some important aspects that I've observed in my work with international students. First of all, I observed that there is a different perception of the role of the psychologist. They are much more open to come to psychological counseling and to come to a psychologist, and they are not feeling so stigmatized as their Romanian colleagues. This difference may come due to their past experience, and some of them have participated in a similar experience during their high school. This is a positive aspect that motivates us to continue working with international students. Another very important thing that I observed and that challenges in my work with international students refers to the cultural differences. I want to make sure that I'm understanding all they are trying to communicate with me, and also I'm making efforts to be sure that they can understand what I'm trying to communicate with them. In psychology, the communication is the most important tool that we have, so it's very, very important to try to eliminate all the communication barriers and to identify the meanings of each of us. Among the students that I've worked over the time, I could see the main reasons that and the main problem they are facing with. So I would like to mention some of them right now. First of all, unfortunately, the level of the anxiety and the depression are much more higher than the levels from our Romanian student, and this is happening because they are far away from home, and all this adaptation process is very difficult for them because they are forced to adapt to unknown world, to a new world where they are far away from home, from family, from friends, from all the secure environment that we all are having in our homes. So for them is challenging to come to a university and to understand how the things are working properly in here. Another reason for why students seek psychological counseling refers to the fact that they are trying to develop their sexual identity. Some of them are feeling very confused, feel hopeless, and they don't know if it's appropriate to express them freely. Also, there are some aspects from the religious sphere that at some point begin to be in cognitive dissonance with their own needs, and some of them end up feeling guilty, confused, maybe they feel regret or a lot of frustration. In the end, I want to continue to be a real support for them because I know they need to be encouraged, and I know that they need a safe place there where they can come and talk freely about all these kinds of subjects.